Alright guys, 2004 Toyota Camry. If you have any other Toyota or a Honda, how to change the wiper blades, alright? As you can see, these wiper blades on this car are pretty much broken off. Same thing with the other wiper blade. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna replace this, both of these wipers. Alright, what we're gonna do is, first, we're gonna lift this arm up. So you just grab it and you lift it up, just like that, alright? So simply lift it up. And then you can turn this, all right? And also down here, if you can pay attention, right down here, there's a clip here, all right? Some of them you have to pull, some of them you have to push. So all you do is you push this clip down here and you push the wiper down. Just like that, all right? Yum. So you squeeze that and you push the wiper down. One thing I want you to tell you, do not let this drop here, right? This will break the windshield, so be careful because it's spring loaded. So to install the new wiper, it's very simple. All you do is you take this wiper, you slide it on there just like that, and you pull this up. All right, just like that, and then it clips in there, right? And then you also want to clean the surface here, right? A lot of times there's like dirt, leaves, or any debris down here. What happens is that will get stuck here, and then it will move around with it. It'll get stuck on the wiper here as you go down, and then it will move up and down, and it'll leave lines behind. All right, now we're gonna go over to the other side. We're gonna do the same thing, all right? We're on the other side now. Here's the other driver's side wiper blade. Usually the driver's side is longer, right? So what you do is you lift this up, don't let it fall down. Same thing, you're gonna press on this tab. I'm gonna try to do it with one hand. I'm gonna need help. You're gonna press on that tab and you're gonna pull this down. There you go. Just be careful you don't hurt yourself, and make sure you don't drop this down, all right? So same thing here again. You're gonna get this into this, and then we're gonna just push it up. It's just like a little hook. Very simple. There you go. All right? Same thing. You're gonna clean the surface, and then we're gonna put this wiper blade down, and we're done. That's how you change wiper blades on any car. Most of the Toyotas, Hondas, Nissans, Hyundais, Kias is the same procedure, right? After this, you could test it, but we're gonna leave it as it is, all right? You could put the windshield fluid that shoots out from here. You can see if it cleans good or not, but we're done here.